Let me go to user info. After this, let me say from which country the person is. And for this, I can't basically ask him from which country he is. So he may enter anything. So we should give him, right? We should give him some options so that he'll select. So for that, go to this form.select. Okay, I don't want to give like this. I'll give a self-closing tag, and this is a path, and there will also be some items in it. So these are some items, and this definitely will be a Java object. So let me write it at the beginning itself so that I'll not make the same mistake again. So now let me save this for a second. Obviously at the background it will be showing some errors. Let it show. And here I'm creating a new variable, that is my country. Source, getters and setters. For country, generate them. So for country, I'm having my getter and setter. Okay, so for now this is good. And in the display also, I must have some things. Yeah, it is basically showing some errors. Let the errors be showing itself. And this is basically user dot country. Okay, let me save this. I'm having the user, I'm having the display method, I'm taking the inputs. So here the only thing left is these two. Let the path also be country, since I've given the variable over here for country. So the only thing left is my items. Okay, anyways, I've decided to give country itself. So let me give it, let me save it. This is basically will be showing me an error at the background. So first let me create some country items. So for this, what should I use? For country, same thing, map string, let this be a country map, which is equal to my, smaller than 4 letters, that will be more good. Okay, now the next thing is, everything is done, add these objects. So I must add these objects. Remember, I have already given the string as country. Done. Go back over here, refresh this. I'm having my country. Again, select Monish, mail, submit. Got all my details?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
Monish.
basically, this is the way how all the things in our background of, okay. Now we have a name, gender and country. Let me put two things at the same time. Information. So I want to ask the user for some information, and let that be, got it? So
Yes,
let me
sir.
go back to this. Let me save this. Go back to my display. So inside the display also, this will be my display, this will be my taking the information. After all this, now let me start giving the information. One for info, it is new string like this, or else you can directly give 2 colons, that is also enough. Okay, before that, don't forget to add in the variables info, properties, and the other one are skills. So Control Shift EF, save this, and go for source, getters and setters. Okay, there is something wrong. Go for the source, getters and setters. So I need for skills and info both, generating them, and I think I don't need the toString anymore. So I'll remove that, save this, go back to my make controller. This is my info method. So whatever the info I am getting over here, I am just passing it to my model and view dot add object, and this will be a string info. Info is the object. Done. Information is basically added. Now let me go to map string comma, done. Save this. Everything is done. I hope the uploading is also done. Okay, all the above. Okay, small error over here. The skills are also showing the information. Let me go back. Skills, everything is good over here. This is info, done. Let me go to user info. Okay, information, path is skills, item is skills, user.info. Yep, here it should be skills. Refresh, retry it again, not a problem. Now you got everything. Got it?
Yes, sir.
This is basically our MVC model with get and post. We are getting the information and posting the information, everything in a simultaneous string. Got it?
Yeah.
Any doubts on this? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. This is a very basic one. I know that the website doesn't look any awesome thing. We are just making it a development slow by slow. So if you know how to take input from the user and post it, okay, so 50% of the job is already done, because you know how to create the data and you know how to post it. Okay, so here we are showing it on the same website, but imagine the same thing if you do it with the help of Hibernate, which you have already gone through. Then you can basically send the information to the database. All the CRUD operation, editing, retrieving, deleting can be done with the help of Hibernate. It is more simpler than using JDBC. So there the 80% of the part is done. So you take any website, the only thing they are doing is a CRUD, nothing more than that. So make sure to first take the data properly and post it properly. Try this on your own, you will understand it way better. Okay.